Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best air fryers of 2025 that will revolutionize your kitchen. From crunchy fries to perfectly roasted veggies, these air fryers do it all. Healthier, faster, and tastier. Stick around to find your perfect match. Number 1, Ninja Air Fryer Max XL. Starting with the Ninja Air Fryer Max XL, this one stole my heart. It's perfect for large families or meal preppers with its 5.5 quart capacity. I tested it with everything from fries to chicken wings, and the results were consistently amazing. Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. Its Max Crisp technology cooks food up to 30% faster than traditional air fryers, which saved me a lot of time. Should you buy it? Absolutely. If you're looking for efficiency, performance, and versatility, this is the one to beat. It's worth every penny. Number 2, Instant Vortex Plus Clear Cook. Next up is the Instant Vortex Plus Clear Cook. The unique selling point, its transparent window. Watching your food cook in real time is oddly satisfying and ensures perfect results every time. During my testing, I loved its even crisp technology for flawless textures. Plus, it's super quiet, which is a big bonus for late-night snack cravings. Should you buy it? Yes, especially if you value precision and love modern gadgets. It's a great all-rounder for singles or small families. Number 3, Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer. The Cosori Turbo Blaze Air Fryer is a dream for tech enthusiasts. With its smart app compatibility, I could control cooking right from my phone, a lifesaver when multitasking. The 360 degrees rapid air circulation technology impressed me with perfectly cooked, healthier meals. Plus, the app's recipe library inspired some creative culinary adventures. Should you buy it? If you're tech-savvy and love experimenting in the kitchen, this one's a no-brainer. Number 4, Ninja AF101 Air Fryer. If you're new to air frying, the Ninja AF101 is the perfect starting point. With its straightforward design and 4-quart capacity, it's great for smaller households or first-timers. I loved how easy it was to set up and use. My favorite dish? Crispy sweet potato fries in just 20 minutes. Should you buy it? Yes, this is an excellent entry-level air fryer that delivers reliable results without breaking the bank. Number 5, Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 8-quart 2-basket air fryer. Last but not least, the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1. The dual baskets were a lifesaver during my testing. I cooked chicken in one and veggies in the other at different temperatures. Its smart finish feature syncs cooking times, so both are ready at once. Perfect for multitaskers. Should you buy it? Absolutely, especially if you cook for a big family or love meal prepping. It's an investment in convenience and versatility.